Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. I have my black-eyed peas soaking. I'm going to let them soak for about 35-40 minutes. And you see the ones that have floated to the top, I will take them out and I will wash them good and get all of the bad peas out. And then I will come back and let you know what else I'm doing. I already have my meat and I'm using smoked turkey necks. I've already boiled them, and I'll come back and show you what's next after I get the peas all cleaned and everything. And I'll get my veggies that I'll be using sauteed, and I will, once they are chopped, I will come in and show you what I am seasoning with. I just want you guys to take a look at this water that these peas are soaking in. And I have taken some bad ones out, and I still have some more to take out. Alexa, stop. Excuse me. And I just cannot imagine people saying they don't wash their beans and peas. These peas and beans, these dried peas and beans are dirty. They need to be washed. They need to be picked, for the bad ones to come out. And this is what I have right now. And I'll come back in just a few. I am back. I have the black-eyed peas already washed and ready to go in the pot after these veggies have been sauteed. Excuse me. I have the yellow onion, the green onion, and the red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And I have a few pods of garlic that I will chop up finer. I have some chicken broth right there. And I'm going to put better than bouillon, a tablespoon of this for flavor. It really gives flavor. I have the meat here that I have already cooked a little. So let's get started. Let me start by putting these veggies in here so they can be sauteed, and here they are right here. So I will let them get a little tender, and I will add the peas in and put some dry seasoning in it, and I'll come back in just a few. Here we are. This is what I have going on in the pot. These are the black-eyed peas, and the little green that you see on top is some fresh chopped basil leaves. And I use Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You have to just season to taste. And I did use the garlic pepper seasoning and the ground white pepper. And here it is, and I'll let it cook for I'll start off with about 50 minutes and see if I need to go the hour. But once it is done, I'll bring you back and show you what we have. So I'll pause right here. Okay, these are the black-eyed peas with all of the delicious seasonings and smoked turkey necks. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. This is Patti, Patti's Southern Kitchen and More. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your family and friends about my channel. And give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I will talk to you on the next video.